In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add open graph tags in Dreamweaver. This process is crucial for enhancing how your web pages appear when shared on social media platforms. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your website in Dreamweaver. This is the foundation of our work today. Make sure you have the right file ready. If you're new to Dreamweaver, it's a powerful tool that allows you to visually and textually edit your website files. Now that you have your website open, let's move on. Click on Split View. This feature in Dreamweaver is incredibly useful. It allows you to see both the code and design views simultaneously. This dual view helps you understand how changes in the code affect the visual layout. With this setup, you can make precise adjustments with confidence. Next, find the head section of your HTML file. The head section is where crucial metadata resides. This includes information about your web page that isn't visible directly on the page. It's important because it informs browsers and search engines about your page's content. Once you've located the head section, it's time to add your open graph tags. Insert them just before the closing head tag. Use the following code: meta property equals OG:title, content equals my website title. Meta property equals OG:description, content equals a short description of my website. Meta property equals OG:image, content equals https://example.com/image.jpg. Meta property equals OG:URL, content equals https://example.com/image.jpg. This means more engagement and a polished presentation on social media. Let's replace the placeholder information with your actual data. Change my website title to your page title. This title is what users will see first. It should be concise and compelling. For the description, use your page's description. This needs to be a brief and enticing summary of your content. Replace image.jpg with your social sharing image. Choose an image that best represents your page and is visually appealing. Finally, update example.com to your actual website URL. This URL directs users to your site when they click on the shared link. Now it's time to save your file. This step is crucial. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are applied. Without saving, your updates won't take effect and your open graph tags won't function. With that ready, you've successfully added open graph tags to your website using Dreamweaver. This will greatly enhance how your site appears on social media. You'll notice a more professional and engaging presentation when your pages are shared. Remember, these small details can significantly impact your site's visibility and appeal. Thank you for watching, and keep experimenting with Dreamweaver. It offers vast possibilities beyond what we've covered today. Until next time, happy coding and designing.